How's it going tonight, guys? We're talking some evening TA right now. I have been wanting to catch this moment for you guys for quite some time. The reason why I am choosing to record this video at 7:56 p.m. is because I want to show you guys what happens at a daily close. I also want to talk to you guys in this episode about what happens to the rest of the crypto market when Bitcoin performs this well. Now, last time we were this high, guys, all time high 64,008. Last time we were this close, guys, the rest of the market, we're talking double digit gains in some of these altcoins on a daily basis, guys. You can see right now, KuCoin shares up 10%. HBAR up 5%. This is just the beginning, guys. Acoin up 3%. Ethereum's up 3.4%. Now, what tends to happen, okay? I've seen this play out a couple times. I saw the original run up to 40,000. I saw the following run up to 60,000, 64,000. Okay. What happens during these moments, guys? This is the best time, honestly, to not just be in Bitcoin, but the best time to be in the altcoin market. Because what is going to happen, guys, and keep an eye out on this chart here. I'm going to make it big for you guys so you can see the moment. We're getting close to 8 p.m., guys. That's usually when, not usually, that is when these candles close for today. And something very interesting always happens, guys. There is always an indicator of what is to come for the following day at the moment of the close going into the open. So that's why I want to share that with you guys. But we still have a couple more minutes until that clicks over. So let's just talk about the rest of the market, guys. Like I said, if you haven't been here before, if you haven't seen Bitcoin at all-time highs, welcome to crypto. It's about to be very interesting all over the space, okay? I'm talking clickbaity thumbnails, Bitcoin going to $7 million, 700,000. It's going to get crazy. And you're going to want to FOMO into some stuff? No. Just relax, guys. Relax. Play smart. When other people are greedy, that's when you start to get fearful, and that's when you start to pay attention. Because what's gonna happen, guys, is essentially once Bitcoin finishes this run up, and according to the technicals, guys, and this is another point I wanted to point out too, but I wanted to see what happened at the close, and we are now 2 minutes away from that daily close, guys. So we need to break 64.8 to close at a new all-time high for the day. However, if we don't reach that, this is still the highest daily close that we've had since April. Now, going back to April, let me tell you what happened, guys. As Bitcoin was making its ascent, it was pulling the rest of the market up with it. Once we break all-time high of 64,800, then the rest of the market will start to respond. Bitcoin is going to do, if the previous all-time high was 64.8, I'm going to make an assumption and say that 69 will be our next stopping point before we come back down. Now, plan B, he is a gentleman that is very popular when it comes to the Bitcoin metrics, technical analysis, predictions, stock to flow ratios, all that stuff. I still don't know who he is, but he's been in this space for more since the beginning, and he's always been right. Okay. He's predicting that we close this month somewhere north. Okay, there it is, guys. We just saw it. We just saw it clicked over, guys. Forget what I'm talking about. Let's focus in on this screen. Now, this is a very crucial moment. As you can see, everything has just started over, guys. Okay? Everything has just started over. And as of right now, we are in a new day, and you can see the prices are rapidly shifting. Now, what I wanted to look for, what I wanted to show you guys, the signal that I'm talking about at the moment of close is there's always a massive move. Okay, now whether it's to the up or the downside, of course, that's mathematics, algorithms, we can't pinpoint that. However, judging by the previous uptrend that we have been establishing the last few days, and with the Bollinger Bands giving us so much room, guys, I noticed this contraction a couple days ago. And forgive me, I know we didn't necessarily take a look at the charts at the beginning of the week like we used to. Monday was hectic, but that's why I am coming to you here now, and I have the perfect opportunity. It is now 8:01 p.m., guys, so that means, according to cryptos, we are in a brand new day. So if there's going to be a major move, it's going to happen overnight. If we're going to break that all-time high, guys, it's going to happen in the next few hours. As you can see right now, we're sitting at 64,381. Now, hopefully we can get to like 64,400 while we're recording. We'll see though. But what's going to happen to the rest of this market, guys? And this is just based on what I've seen. Now, of course, past performance does not predict future results. We've all heard that before. But one time is a coincidence. 2 times is a pattern. 3 times, that's systematic. Okay? Somebody's pressing a button there. But what tends to happen, guys? Senso, sitting at 80 cents, coming into the all-time high. We're going red right here. We are definitely going red. Not much, just a little bit. But we'll see how it goes. We just got to give it a few minutes. These candles are for the hourly. So we're close. We're so close to all-time highs. You can imagine people that were holding maybe in the 50s, maybe in the high 40s, potentially taking some profit right now. There's a lot of traders sitting at the chart, just like I'm sitting at the chart right now, watching this moment, okay? Because they know this is a very crucial moment to watch out for. A lot of traders like to trade on the closes and the opens, okay? So that's why we see so much activity at this particular time of the evening, guys. But getting back to the rest of the market, because this is going to be a very interesting ride. Like I was talking about Senso, sitting at 80 cents, going into Bitcoin's all-time high. Bitcoin continues to push forward, continue this momentum, and like I said right here, guys, we can see it on the charts. Yeah, 69, 70,000 can easily be reached in the next couple of days. Okay, of course, we could always pull back. We won't go straight up, but the technicals on the daily, especially the weekly, it's looking good, guys. But with projects like Senso coming in at 80 cents as we reach the all-time high, that means that once Bitcoin breaks that all-time high, guys, we're talking at least $1.25, $1.50. All right, H bar sitting at 37 cents. We're talking 45, 50 cents. I'm gonna tell you why. When the Bitcoin price goes up, it draws people into the market. It just draws people into the market. They go immediately for lower price coins. Okay, so you're gonna have an influx of people coming into altcoins. All right, it's right around the time when Bitcoin gets ready to settle down. So, potential scenario here. Let's just say over the next couple of days, we break 67, 68, 69. Okay, not only is the space going to electrify, then all the investors are going to come in because they're going to go to YouTube, and the people on YouTube are going to be saying how this is the best time to be in crypto, the next altcoin to pop and do this and 100x, 300x, because it's about to happen. All of that extra energy, guys, is what's going to drive these prices up. That's why they refer to Bitcoin as the market leader, the head of the snake, because when Bitcoin is up, the rest of the market is up, guys. And I'll tell you, it's been a while. It's been a while since I've seen this. Okay. Like I said, this is my 2 years in crypto, and I've seen this play out about 3-4 times now. About 3 to 4 times now. So after, judging by those 3 times, I know a lot of money can be made when Bitcoin is at all-time highs, guys. So, but right now, we seem to be pretty quiet. Not much major activity, especially to the downside. So what that indicates to me, guys, is that not a lot of shorts, not a lot of people are selling at this level. They're anticipating a higher price, which is good. So, of course, we're going to see how this plays out. And hopefully in the morning, we should definitely be looking at new all-time highs, guys. Now, this is also going to do well for smaller projects. You know what I mean? Lower gems, okay? Gems. Like Digibyte, sitting at 4 cents right now. Let me tell you what happened the last time Bitcoin reached $4,000. Digibyte was at 14 cents. 14 cents, guys. At 4 cents right now. You do the mathematics on that, okay? IOTX wasn't necessarily as popular last time Bitcoin hit all-time highs, but since then, it has solidified its use case, its tech, its fundamentals. It's building a community now. They've added so many more features and everything. A lot of people are about to start coming for IOTX, and it's in the IoT sector. So, hey, when they get on YouTube and they search IOTX, they're going to run across blockchain monkeys, they're going to run across me, and together they're going to figure out, like, need to be in the IoT sector, especially at these prices. So that's the type of thing that happens, guys. Ethereum Classic. Okay, let me tell you what's going to happen to Ethereum Classic. When Ethereum kicks off, Ethereum Classic is always 7 days after. That's just what I've seen. I could be wrong. I could be wrong this time. But I'm just telling you what I've seen, guys, okay? Especially if you haven't been in this space and let's just say you've only been in it about a couple months or so, the excitement you feel is justified because we're about to see a whole lot of money. That's Alchemy Pay. Again, 6 cents. We watched it go from this level to 12, 13, 14 on its debut. That was nothing. It was nothing, guys. If you feel like you missed the boat on that, if you caught my Alchemy Pay video a little bit late, but you still subscribed to the channel because you was, feeling the game that I was giving, this is your second chance. It's your second chance on Alchemy, guys, just straight up. Now, I'm not trying to fill you guys with no hopium and being overly bullish and misleading. I, again, am telling you what I've seen. I'm telling you what happened to me last time I was in this market and this happened. I'm talking $50 chain link easily. Okay. We're not even going to talk about what's going to happen to XRP. All right. Because this new all-time high is going to attract a lot of attention. So something might happen with this whole case and XRP will go parabolic in the middle of the night. Nobody will be prepared for it. So essentially, guys, this is the time. Excuse me. This is the time. If there was any other time to be buying crypto, I would definitely get in nowish. Definitely before the end of the month, because there's either going to be another leg up or a strong correction. Not nothing drastic like what we've seen in September or May, but the engines have to cool down. Okay. But even still, when the engines cool down for the top caps, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, that's when the rest of the ladder starts to pick up steam. Okay. So it's kind of like a tug and pull situation, gravitational forces, if you will. Once Bitcoin goes up, comes back down, it then pulls the altcoin market over it. And Bitcoin will still stay settled. Altcoins will feel that energy for a little bit, realize Bitcoin hasn't moved yet, and then they'll come back down just a bit. But the market dynamics of crypto, guys, is definitely something to behold. But I can definitely assure you, a lot of money is about to be made in this market, guys. And I'm glad I can be here with you. And I'm glad we can make this money together. Okay? Together. Now, everything real quiet right now, but I'm going to let it progress overnight, guys. And that means I'm going to leave you with this. Like I said, if you're new to the space, don't fall for the FOMO. It's going to be easy to, but don't do it. Stick to your fundamentals. Remember your thesis. And know the long game is what's going to get you through this, guys. Because even though we're seeing new all-time highs now, we're still ways away from that $100,000 mark. Okay. And it's not going to be a straight upwards move. Like I told you guys, it was going to be a stair step. Okay. Looking at the weekly, guys, what have we done? We have walked up the stairs. Okay. We're walking up the stairs. Now, on the weekly, we are very close to this top band. However, it's starting to open up. So that is very good news. Now, like I mentioned before, 68, 9, 69, maybe. But that's going to be our stopping point. We'll wick up to 70,000 so that way it can be the headline, but we're gonna slow down at about 69K, guys, in my personal opinion. But yeah, with all that being said, guys, I just want you to take care. Have a good evening, have a great evening, and most importantly, let's make that money. I'll see y'all in the morning.